In today's highly competitive marketplace, where visual appeal can determine a product's success, standing out on the shelf is not just an option, it's a necessity. Unnoticed products blend into the background, invisible to potential consumers. At LabelProfi, we have a solution. As we understand the critical role of aesthetics in capturing consumer attention, our cutting-edge technology offers a comprehensive suite of finishing options designed to elevate your product's presentation. From sophisticated varnishing and durable laminating to luxurious cold or hot foil stamping, meticulous screen printing, and elegant embossing, we have the capabilities to transform your labels and pouches into works of art. With our premium options, your products will capture and retain consumer interest. Labels that lead, brands that succeed.